Hiccup.
When you carry this axe,
Oh snap! That's
carry all of us with you.
the dude who plays Stoic.
Dad, I can't kill dragons.
Sheesh, they look clean though a little bit. They look clean a little bit. They look decent.
I'm a Viking. I'm a Viking.
Come on, Hiccup. He look clean. He look clean. I ain't gonna hold you. Toothless look cold.
It's okay. I won't hurt you.
Yo, this actually looks good. I'm not even gonna hold you. This actually looked decent. Let's go Hiccup and Toothless and Stoic.